Hey everyone, a big part of my secret to a clean mouth is this Waterpik water flosser. Today I'll show you how it's an absolute game changer, especially if you have braces or a retainer. First off, we have three AA batteries, which is great so I don't need to go out and buy them. And here's the main unit. But before we assemble it, let's take a quick look at the instruction booklet. So I like how the instructions includes a picture of the Waterpik and all the different parts of it. And it says the first step is to insert the batteries. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll insert a tip and try it out. So this main unit is pretty compact. It has a see-through water reservoir, so you know when you need to refill it. The handle is easy to grip, and the power settings are at the front, and notice how there are two pressure settings. To set it up, first you take the reservoir off the base and then open the battery chamber. I'll go ahead and insert the three AA batteries. Next, we're going to insert one of the two tips that they give you. Once you hear it click into place, you can power it on and do a quick test. Now we'll go ahead and fill this with some warm water. I probably should not have attached the water chamber back to the base yet, but that's okay. Once it's filled, it's ready to be used. And here's a quick life hack that I use it for: cleaning my retainer. Traditional brushing and soaking only do so much, but the Waterpik gets into all those tiny little nooks and crannies that are impossible to reach. It keeps my retainer fresh and sparkling clean with zero effort. It's awesome for aligners, mouth guards, and dentures too.